Bye.
So, good morning. Welcome to another ride. I know it's getting a little boring and all, the lockdown and everything, but you can rely on this vlogger to give you some content. If not, then I'm trying my best. I can't do more. Okay, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to the vlog. Today, people who are coming with me are Nikhil and Aryan, which were there in the last vlog also. So they both are coming, and I think I'm the first person to reach here because no one is here. So we had decided a point next to tram showroom. So now I made it to tram showroom because I've reached first. So I'm waiting for them to come. So we'll see when they come. And they finally came. Why so late?
We got confused with the
Why
road.
so late?
Nice chashma.
Thank you. Why so late?
Yeah, my fault. Completely my fault, not his, my fault. Yeah. That has Red Bull.
Cool. So today Aryan has come on an Interceptor 650 and Nikhil has come on his bike on 200, Pulsar 200.
Next stop.
Where? Toll?
After the toll, if we're together, we'll keep riding.
Yeah, cool. So we just finished fueling up and taking the energy drink, means Red Bull. So, and we're heading out to Ambi Valley. Let's go.
Yeah.
Do you want to find a shelter? Or you will go ahead?
You can go in there.
Yeah.
Let's go on. We'll decide on this thing.
Lonavala?
Yeah.
Bye.
You want to go Khandala?
Let's go. So this guy is starting to talk to himself on the camera. He's got confidence nowadays.
Look at yourself, dude. You're talking to yourself on the camera.
Oh,
actually, no, fuck the water.
Slow and steady, I'm getting too used to it.
What?
Talking to myself like a lunatic. So where's this place?
I just stopped at Khandala. Right after.
Khandala?
Yeah.
Okay. So we reached Khandala. You have anything to say about this place?
Can't see, man. It's beautiful. Look at this.
So Interceptor 650, Jeep 390 and a Pulsar NS 200. So we have just stopped for some time here. We'll head off in like about 10-20 minutes and go back home.
And
Bye.
So I'll end the vlog here. Do like and subscribe, and do drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll meet you in the next vlog.